morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Christmas Power Hour. Yes, that's right, a Christmas Power Hour. I thought I didn't have any more Christmas decorations to share with you, but looks like I have one more surprise to share with you guys before this month is over. What perfect timing. So we're going to tackle all that we can with just 1 hour on the clock in my master bedroom and share our last Christmas decoration display. So if y'all need any ideas, please be sure to stay tuned till the end, but in the meantime, be sure to clean along with me. I have lots of cleaning motivation for you. Wanted to let y'all know that Chris and I are one step closer to sharing our pantry transformation. We only have a few more things to tie up, but we're almost done with it to share the reveal with you guys. With that being said, after we finish that, the next makeover is our bedroom furniture. Look how dark it is in here, even with my ring light shining up at the ceiling to try to make it bright in here. You can tell that the furniture is making this room look dark. Isn't that funny? And you could see my camera trying to focus in some areas, trying to make it look brighter. For those who have been with me for a while have noticed the little changes I have been making to make this room brighter. I've noticed with each little change, the area has gotten a little brighter too. First, we changed our bed frame, which was a real dark slate bed that matched the bedroom furniture, but it's now the gray LUXCEO PACIFICA contemporary bed. The original bedding was a cream pin tuck comforter over purple sheets. Now it's this beautiful silver gray pin tuck comforter over pink sheets. So far, that's what we've changed in this room, and the pillows of course, but we have so much more to do in here. The final change is painting the furniture white and giving it a rustic farmhouse look. And I feel that this change, besides changing our royal blue rug to a much lighter color, will add a lot of light to this room. I'm excited and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. I'll be sure to leave the links in my description box below for the changes that I've made so far. Both of those items I purchased were from overstock.com.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chillin' and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Okay, we now have a little over 34 minutes left to finish cleaning what we can in our master bedroom and to share what I'll be decorating in here for Christmas.
Oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again.
I almost forgot. This mirror, yes, this mirror is going to be a part of our bedroom furniture makeover. Yep, going to give this piece a rustic farmhouse look as well. You'll probably be wondering how I'm going to do that, but you'll just have to wait and see. Don't worry though, I'll be sure to share everything in that makeover to save you lots of time, money, and how you're able to do this yourself.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile I can't seem to look away. spite. All the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy. But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how
All right, you guys, we have just a little over 5 minutes to spare, just enough time for me to get this bedroom tray all cleaned up and set up with all of the last set of Christmas decorations that I have to share with you. I hope you guys like it, and it was well worth the wait.
peace and love and happiness.
Okay, I'm now getting all my pieces organized as I've already planned out how I wanted it set. The Christmas tree, the Christmas prayer plaque, the white face, and the tan beads are all from Hobby Lobby. The white reindeer is from TJ Maxx. The pink gnome is from Walmart, and the gray gnome holding the candy cane I actually found at Marshall's.
It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Now the rest of the arrangements that I'm setting into the white vase are from Hobby Lobby as well. The bedroom tray that I have everything sitting in, I actually have had for quite a while, but I found this at Ross.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I
You guys, that's it. We're all done. Everything is put away. Everything is all nice and clean, looking brand new, and I had added a final touch to give this room a good Christmas vibe. It really smells good in here, and you can't call it Christmas without the fresh scent of pine burning. I hope you guys enjoyed this special little Christmas power hour, and you got the cleaning motivation you needed to finish your task today. If not, you now have a reason to do it because you're motivated to do it, and I had helped you get there. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. It truly means the world to me that you're here, showing your love and support, and I love your comments. They mean a lot to me. I'm blessed to have made it this far. I've reached my first milestone of 500 subscribers, and here I am pushing for the next 500 subscribers to hit my second milestone of 1,000. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up before you leave because it really helps out my channel and gets me further out there, you guys. So please share our channel. Make sure to head over to my Instagram, Mrs. Jessica Savage, as we would love to share other photos and Insta stories with you guys and to connect with each and every one of you. So again, thank you so much for watching. I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye, you guys.